Welcome back to our course. So this is the third part of our walkthrough guide in using Dreamweaver. So this time we will talk about defining local site. So when we say defining local site, what we will do is that we are going to create a local folder, and then we will allow the Dreamweaver to know that this folder will be the folder that will contain all the files that we are going to use in creating our first local website. So to start with this, on our desktop, let's create a new folder, right click, new, and then select new folder. And then we will name this, let's say, lesson. All letters must be in lowercase, small letters, lesson 1. Okay, there you go. We have already created our new folder. So this folder will serve as the local site. We will let our Dreamweaver to identify that this folder will contain the files that we are going to use in writing our local website. After creating your folder, go to your Dreamweaver and then select Site, New Site, and then from the tabs available here at the left side, select Site, and then you have there the site name. Let's give this a site name, Lesson 1. Then after that, we have this local site folder. So we have to define here the location of our folder that we have created on our desktop. So select the small folder icon and then go to the desktop because this is the place where we created our folder. Then open the lesson 1 folder, double click and then select folder. There you go. So site name lesson 1 and then the folder that we have created on our desktop. Then after that, click save. So there you go. We have now this local folder in our files panel. So this is the files panel. It contains and display all the files that you have in your local site. We don't have any files inside of our folder. That is why it's empty. Okay, now to create our first file, what we will do is to right click on our root folder. So this is our root folder, the folder that we have created that is called root folder. Okay, from the root folder, right click and then select new file, and then from there we will name this index. On your keyboard, please type index.html. Okay, there you go. We have now our first file. Okay, let's open our file by double clicking the index.html. Click the icon, the bracket / bracket, okay, to open the file. We have successfully opened the index file. Okay, there you go. So our index file here can possibly viewed in 3 different ways. By default, it is shown in design. You can also change the view by going to code or by split. So this is the design view and then this is the code view. So when you click the split, it will give you the 2 different views at the same time. The code view and then the design view. Okay, there you go. So whenever we want to create a new website, what you will do is to create a folder on your desktop or anywhere from your computer, as long as you can remember the location where you created the folder. Then after creating the folder, you have to define that folder as a local website by going to the site menu, new site, and then give it a site name, and then this is where you have to define the location of the folder that you have created. Okay, so this will be the workflow that you are going to do every time we create a new website. Okay, so that's all for this video and see you in the next lectures.